got a light hum to it. This one's a little bent up. Gonna get rid of them today. So if you've seen any of my Mustang videos, you've noticed that my driver's side tailpipe is pretty smashed up. So I went and hopped on Amazon, found these DNA Motorsport axle backs, the muffler deletes or what have you. I think they were like 180 bucks after tax and everything. So we'll get this thing open up and let you see what they look like. There they go. Come with the clamps and everything. There we go. Get them out this bubble wrap and see what they really look like. So first impression, you know, it's just exhaust pipe. Well, it looks pretty clean. Polished 4-inch tips, so the same size tips as I got on there right now. But without the muffler, it should make it a little, what they call it, rowdy. So yeah, I think they're gonna look good on there. So that's them. They go to driver one. Clamp sitting on there already. Pull off them old ones and slap these bad boys in, and so you get that aggressive sound for less than 200 bucks out in your garage same day. So finna check them out. So pretty much up under here, got your clamp. Got one hanger right there, needs to come down. And pull this front one down too and throw it all back in there together. So just side by side. Factory mufflers. Slap in the new ones. So got the old mufflers off, ready to throw the axle backs on. I will let you know now, the driver's side was a little more work to get out of. You know, this is a Midwest car, so it does have rust. But yeah, got them off and throw them on and button it up and see what they sound like. So the driver's side went in no problems. Passenger side, however, so you can see where I kind of sprayed there. I ended up having to drill a hole because I'm relocating this front hanger because this pipe actually sat out about an inch and a half too far in its factory location. The back one was perfectly fine, so I didn't do anything to it. But these little clamps that come with them, you can kind of see. So they didn't cut the switch down far enough. So if you got the tools, it'd probably be a better idea just to, you know, cut it a little bit and make them a little bit deeper. But I went to the auto parts store, spent 10 bucks, got some of the OG style U-joint clamps. So I'm going to see how those work out and finna find out. So there they go. That line up pretty good. Just starting to look. So that just shows you where I relocated that front mount. The bolt actually broke off in there, so. Let's see they line up well. Got them in there all nice and tight. Let's see what they sound like. install. Personally, I'd have probably spent a little extra bread and got a little better setup, maybe the MBRP ones or I think the CNL ones run for right about the same price, but you know, you can't make them work. Like I said, that front hanger on the passenger side was, you know, in the wrong spot, but self-tapper, pulled the drill out and made it work. And like I said, I had to switch out the clamps for the old U-joint style ones, but other than that, I made them work. They sound good, and I'm happy with it, so there it is.